Good morning and welcome to another Tech Tip Tuesday. This week's Tech Tip will focus on adding the Google Apps to your Smartboard as well as converting those Whiteboard files to PDFs. Okay, let's get started. So before we add our Google Apps to our board, we want to make sure that we're signed in to our Smartboard. So if you'll go look up in the top left-hand corner, you will either see your picture or you will see just a face. If you see your picture or your initial, that means that you are signed in. If you see a face, you'll need to tap on that face. And then down at the bottom, you'll be able to sign in. So just make sure that you are signed in to your board. You will sign in using your Floyd BOE email account. Once you are signed in, then you are ready to go add your Google Apps to your board. So we're gonna go down into our apps. We're going to click on Featured Content, and we're going to scroll all the way over until we see Google, and here are your Google apps that you can add to the board. So I'm going to add Google Drive by pressing the blue plus button. Now that's going to put that back on my app screen, but I want to add that to my favorites because I use Google Drive a lot. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to press the star, turn it green, and then what you'll see is that now my Google Drive app is there on my favorites for me to use whenever I need it. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is how to take a whiteboard file and convert it to a PDF so you can share it with your students through Google Classroom, or if you wanted to print your notes, you could. So I just opened up a whiteboard file. I've taken my notes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go right up here to the share icon. I'm going to click on the share icon and then I'm just going to choose PDF. It's going to ask me, or it's actually going to tell me that it's going to save it to my downloads. So then I'm just going to click save. And it's going to save my file now as a PDF. To find that file, I'm just going to go back to my home screen and I'm going to go into Files. My whiteboard file that I just created is still here, but what I want to do is find the one that I converted to a PDF. So I'm going to go up to My Files. I'm going to click the arrow, and I'm going to go to Downloads because remember it's saved to my Downloads folder. And there it is. Okay, we're going to take it one step further, and I'm going to show you how to get that PDF that we just downloaded into our Google Drive so we can either print or add it to our Google Classroom. So now that I've converted my file to a PDF, I'm going to go into my Google Drive app. The first time that you log in, you will have to sign in, but after that, it should just sign you in automatically. And from here, you're just going to upload that PDF just like you would from your computer. So I'm going to go up to where it says New, and I'm going to click on File Upload. Okay, down at the bottom, it's going to ask me to choose an action. I'm going to go into my files. It's going to automatically put you in the recent folder, but what you want to do is you want to click these three lines and you want to choose your downloads. And right there is my PDF that we converted earlier. So I'm going to click on the PDF. And it's going to upload that PDF right here into my drive. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your school's ITS and we'll be happy to help. Have a great Tuesday.